Hi guys, it's Hani here, and today I'm going to show you how to make these pretty hard cookies. I got many requests from you asking me to create some Valentine's Day cookies, and I think these will be perfect for Valentine's Day. Start by outlining and flooding the cookie with 15-second consistency black real icing. To make real icing, I often use cocoa powder. It aids with the coloring of the icing. I would say that you can add about 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder per 1 cup of white real icing. Don't add too much cocoa powder because it can interfere with how your real icing dries. Both of the recipes can be found on my blog. Link is in the description box under the video. Once you flood the cookies, use a scribe tool or a toothpick to distribute the icing evenly. And now we're going to use red and pink and white real icing. I'm going to start by creating a border with dots in a heart shape, and then we're going to add more dots, a lot of dots around the border, concentrating around the border and then making them more sparse towards the outer edge of the cookie. And you want to use different colors for this. I'm using red, obviously you can use blue and different shades of blue, and maybe green would look really nice. What I want to say is that doesn't matter what colors you're using, make sure that you use some white because it creates a really important highlight to make this design work. Alright, we have a few more dots, and then I'm going to let this dry overnight. Next step is to create a pouch. I'm going to be layering using 2-toned real icing, and to create this pouch of icing, place a piece of food wrap on your work surface and then layer white and red real icing on top of it, and then fold the plastic wrap over and twist the ends. You can tie one end just so the icing doesn't ooze out. And to pipe, I am going to use, this is a PME 1.5 piping tip. This is a great tip for piping details on cookies, and also it's great for writing. It is a bit more expensive. I think it ranges from $4 to $6 depending on where you get it, but it is totally worth the investment. I like to practice on a piece of wax paper before I do anything on a cookie, especially if it involves writing. And you can see when I'm putting more pressure on a piping bag, more icing is coming out, and you can just play with that technique on a wax paper before you go on a cookie. I don't have a projector, so to make sure that my line, my writing is going to be going straight across, I put a piece of paper across, and then I'm using it as a guide when I'm piping the letters. This way they're going to be straight, and I don't have to worry about having to redo it. And that's how you can make these cookies. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you try this technique. It's really fun and it gives such fabulous results in no time. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.